Yes, hello, my lovely people. It has been a while. As some of you might know, I was looking after my dad, who sadly had an accident and fell off his bike and hurt himself, but he's doing a lot better now. And I don't know if you can see behind me, but I also moved into a new studio space, which I can assure you has been as fun to set up as you would imagine. There are an insane amount of cables in here, but fingers crossed, we're good to go. We won't get any dropouts, we won't get any issues. Let's just get into making some music. Your time is valuable, so I'm just going to cut straight to it. We're going to make something like Frank Ocean today. We're going to get into some chill Frank vibes. I need that zen and peacefulness that comes with his music, so let's just get straight into it. I've pulled up this Analog Lab patch. Ooh, okay, that's smooth. That's smooth. We got like I'm playing this in such an awkward position. Let me move down a little bit. We got this F minor 9. No, what am I talking about? We got an F major 9. Go into this E minor 9. Go into like a G major 7, G minor 7, and then to this E minor 9, and then back around. And that sounds mysterious and Frankish. Definitely suitable for him to put some beautiful vocals over. Right, let's just record this boy in. Ooh, we forgot to set a tempo. Maybe we go double time, and then we'll go half time on the drums. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll go like 162 BPM. Okay, we're here for that. We're here. We are here for that. Okay, that's sounding pretty tasty if you ask me. However, what can we do to just sweeten it up a little bit? I'm kind of thinking putting a little bit of saturation on there could be really nice. So let's just set that up. Just dialed in that saturation there using this tune box I've got. Now it sounds like this. And then with it. Little bit of 1176 style compression on here would also work wonders. Yeah. I'm just trying to duck that transient down just a little bit. That's what I want. And we're getting it. It sounds lovely. Okay, so without those effects, it's like this. And with them. You see it's just softening things down, it's just letting it chill a little bit. And that is like being wrapped up in a warm blanket. So let's render that out and then get some ambience processing on there. Sorry if the audio just went a bit quiet. Realised I had my mic really far away from me. Anyways, let's get that beautiful ambience on there. I'm thinking we go a little bit spaced out just to test it out, see if it works. Okay. That's with no reverb. So what if we add a reverb? What about a seventh heaven? Doing something like a hall, I think. Something kind of long. That is singing to me already. Yeah, that... Oh my goodness, that's such a beautiful sound, isn't it? Okay, happy with that. Thinking let's build up a couple little synth layers, get cooking with that, and then we'll get some drums in, maybe some bass in, and move into like the rhythmic section of the beat. Oh man, so good to be back. So good to be back. Right, I'm getting this calling to like add a Rhodes in there. I don't actually know if it will work, but we'll just try it. I don't think Frank uses Rhodes like all that much, but maybe if we effect it properly, we can actually get a good sound. Oh goodness me, that's massive. That's what she said. Anyways, right, let's try lead synth electric piano. That's sounding more Frankish. Okay. Maybe that's giving me too much of a jazz vibe. That's like more, I don't know, Tyler could use that really well, but maybe this little looking for Stevie one can work. Let's try that. I think we got it. Let's record it. Okay, the first half of that is good. Second half, I want to do something a little bit different. Okay, we're happy with that, but this needs some effects, I think. Something bold. What about crystalline for some reverb? It's cool. What if we have an Echo Boy doing something weird on there as well? Okay, that's cool. I think it's got to be more aggressive than that, to be honest. Okay, let's saturate this a little bit. Ooh. Man, that is just gorgeous. Okay, lost you guys there for a second, but just added a little bit of chorus to that Rhodes, and with that down in the mix a little bit, we got this. I mean, that'll make like the perfect kind of intro section. I still think we can beef up this pad a little bit more. Let's just grab another analog lab. We can grab like a cool key sound. Ooh, I kind of like that. Kind of like that janky tape sound, but let's just extend these over because... So, extended these over. I mean, it sounds so bad, but so good at the same time. Okay, we're back again. Got this nice... Alright, phone ran out of storage, which is why I lost you the last time, but we're back again. Emptied the recycling bin. Should have done that before I started filming the video. But we move. Right, we've got this Melodyne. We've got this Mellotron kind of piano vibe going. I'm grooving to it. It kind of sounds bad, but it also sounds good. We cut the transient a bit. Soften it a bit. Yeah, I'm here for that. To be honest. Let's get like some tape or something on there. Just even like a stewed or something low key. I don't want to like go crazy with it, but okay. Okay, I like that what that's doing. That is warming up the low mids nicely. Or you know what we can try? Get a Pultec on there and do a little low mid boosting with that. Okay, that's sounding nice. So without the effects, it sounds like this. Pretty good, to be honest. And with, I'm already ready to start like arranging this out a little bit. The piano's for the next section, to be honest. Yeah, we're definitely in the ballpark of Frank. I'm thinking we get some kind of laid back, chill sounding drums in here. I think we'll get a live kit and then process it fairly heavily and make it sound more sample-ish. That's what I'm feeling like right now, so let's try it. Okay, I kind of like the first half of what I did. Okay, I mean, I like that. It's like the snare is on the 4, which is unusual, and I'm here for it. That's it. That's it. With that little kind of fill thing in the second half. We're here for that. I want to get kind of like an 8th thing here, but really low. Yeah. Okay, now let's think about what the hats would sound like. Yes, I think we got it. I think we got it. Come on. Okay, I just tweaked those hats a bit, turned a couple of velocities down. So that's sounding like this. And I'm also thinking we get a sampled snare to go alongside our main snare just to beef it up a little bit. Got this big crunchy snare from my Oasis kit. Maybe we try a slightly different sound. Better, but let's just cut a bit of the release off. Okay, I'm liking this. Liking this. We've gone in with some bus processing on the drum bus. We got this Studer tape. We got this decapitator. And we've got a little bus compressor. And all together, without, it sounds like this. Good, just a little bit limp. Give it some beat, some punch. It's sounding very nice. Okay, now to make the drum sound even more sampled, I'm thinking of just going with some kind of weird EQ curve. Or even just low passing, it sounds pretty good. I want to get like a more driving kind of rhythm. I'm thinking putting some delay on the snare could sound pretty awesome. Now we'll have to automate this because it's not going to sound good on every hit, but let's try it. I like that, it's cool. Let's just automate the bypass so we can choose exactly when this happens. Let's just turn it off here. And now we can just EQ this delay a little bit, just using the high cut. We'll add a little bit of reverb on there as well. Silver plate, let's try that out. I almost want to send a little bit of the kick to the snare bus channel. I mean, that sounds lovely. Should you send a kick to a snare bus with reverb on? Probably not. Have I done it? Yes. Does it sound good? Also yes. So let's go with it. I love that. Okay, bass wise, I'm thinking we go a little contact bass. Okay, we got something, and it sounds pretty cool, to be honest. I'm actually rating it. Okay, we've got that, but I'm thinking it needs to sound a bit weirder because it's like a Frank song, isn't it? I'm thinking he's not going to use a standard bass that often, so I think we'll go. Maybe I'm thinking just Devil and blow it out and then turn it down. I actually think this needs a little LA to A just to level it out a little bit. It's a bit all over the place. It's kind of brought it all together, hasn't it? That sounds awesome. That, I think, is all we need for some lovely Frank-style vocals over the top. Let's listen to the beat from the start. Smooth as hell.